This is my $10 flea market find. It caught my attention because I'm always curious about where something came from and what was its original purpose. So this thing here, it really puzzles me. Was it a real window? Was it just a decoration? Was it made to look old? I have no idea, but I thought it would look great with a piece of stained glass installed. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a custom stained glass panel. Welcome to Allie Picked. Before I get into today's video, I want to remind you that you can win an Allie Picked hat. Here's how. I'm going to make a video featuring your project. So I'm asking you to send me pictures of things that you've made. Things that you've upcycled, repurposed, refinished, anything creative. Now if I use your picture in my video, your name goes into a drawing for this hat. Now I just need a few more submissions to make this video. So if you've been thinking about it, now's the time to send those to alliepicked@gmail.com. Now, back to making something cool out of junk. Now the first thing I'm going to need to do is glue up these joints. All of the joints on this window are loose, so I'm going to need to glue them and nail them in place. Now the goal is to find an appropriate pattern. I want something that's going to look nice, but yet I want something that's going to use up a lot of my scrap stained glass. So I'm going to look for a pattern that's going to accomplish both. After some Googling, I found this stained glass window that I really like, and this is going to serve as the inspiration for my window. I will need to change the shape, but I really like this idea. I'm also making a duplicate pattern out of parchment paper. The parchment resists water. In a minute, you'll see me using a glass grinder, which does spray water on the pieces. By using parchment, the pattern pieces won't disintegrate. I cut the outside of the pattern using regular scissors, but for the inside, I'm using copper foiling shears, which removes about a 30-second strip of paper. This will allow for the width of the copper foil and the solder between the joints. Now I won't have time in this video to explain everything that I'm doing, so if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And there it is, my beautiful stained glass window made from a $10 flea market find and a bunch of scrap stained glass that I had. I barely made a dent in my scrap pile, but hey, at least it's a start. This thing took about 8 hours to make. Working with stained glass is a great hobby, and there's not a whole lot of people that know how to do it, but you can learn. If you want to see other stained glass projects, I'll have a playlist right up here. You can click that. Now, I hope all my hard work has paid off and earned a thumbs up and your subscription to this channel. Now, maybe you've never noticed it, but underneath this video, you can see a share button. I'd appreciate it if you could share this video with a friend or somebody who you think might enjoy this type of content. So don't be selfish with me. The world needs me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.
The ashtray, the power game, and the remote control, that's all I need. That's the only thing I need is this.